Did you know that Jesus praised a queen who traveled thousands of miles just to test King Solomon's wisdom? This is the amazing story of the Queen of Sheba. Long ago, this powerful queen heard rumors about Solomon's incredible wisdom. She didn't believe it, so she packed gold, precious stones, and sweet spices, then traveled across dangerous deserts with her royal caravan. When she arrived, she tested Solomon with the hardest riddles and impossible questions she could think of, but Solomon answered every single one perfectly. The queen was so amazed that she could barely speak. They exchanged magnificent gifts, and she declared that Solomon's wisdom was even greater than she had heard. But here's why Jesus mentioned her story. In Matthew chapter 12, Jesus said the Queen of Sheba traveled from the ends of the earth to hear Solomon's wisdom. Yet someone greater than Solomon was right there with them, and they rejected him. Jesus was teaching us to seek truth with the same passion as this queen, and to recognize divine wisdom when we find it.